In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy indices in Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then sign into your account like you usually would. Once from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar and then find the specific indice that you want to purchase. Now, once you've done that, you will be able to see that it is an indice right here, and you'll just simply need to click on it like so. Once from here, you'll be able to see a chart over the indice that you are now going to purchase. And to purchase it, you'll simply need to go over here to trade. And then right here, you'll be able to add in whether you want to short or buy the specific indice. And down here, you'll be able to add the amount either in dollars or in contracts or in exposure. You can click that or change that by clicking right here. And then you can change it to contracts right here. But if you click it again, you'll see the amount section once more. Once from here, you can also add a stop loss and take profit, and you can add the leverage if you want to do that, either 1x, 2x, 5x, or 20x, or a custom one you can set right here and click set like so. Once from here, you'll be able to see your entire order, and from here you'll simply need to be able to click buy like so. And as you can see, order received, and it will need to buy the SPX 500 once the market is opened. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!